He kinda let the beast out of the cage. I can see through the spike. Niggas creeping like mice. I'ma speed through the mic. You gotta be more precise. You ain't wrong if you right. Had a wonderful night. Paid a hell of a price. Paid a hell of a price. Yeah, I'm a train killer.
Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Saza coming back at y'all with another video. And today I'm gonna be showing y'all the Bred 4s. I just picked them up. I'm sorry if the video drops a little late from the release date, because they did have to ship in the mail. But without further ado, let's get into the video. We're gonna do a review and an on foot, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Keep watching through the full video. And before I start the video, make sure you guys go at my Snapchat. It'll be right here, my Snapchat or my Instagram. Make sure you go follow me. Here is my Snapchat. Alright, there's my Snapchat. I don't know if y'all can really see through the reflection, but it's RobertWC28. Make sure y'all go add me. And my Instagram is Robert W. Craig. Everything's in the link description if you don't feel like looking it up. But yeah, make sure you go get me to, I'm trying to hit 8,000 followers within a few months. Hopefully we can get there. And make sure y'all go like my new Instagram post. Dropping a few bangers. It was my birthday a few weeks ago. And I did get caught up with some stuff, so that's why I've been gone for so long. But I'm back now, more bangers. I will be doing a public interview. I don't know if y'all want to see that, but hopefully we do good on that. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get straight into the shoe review. Alright, so starting off with the box. It's just a Jordan Flight box. Got the size tags, got them in a women's size and a men's size. If y'all can see that. Did pick them up from the sneakers app. Then opening up into the box, we got the little garbage wrap thing that will be giving you in the Jordans. And then we got the Bred 4s. As y'all see that first hand look. Alright, so starting off here, we got the Breds right here. Let's start from the top to the bottom. Actually, let's start from the bottom to the top. Alright, so it does have the same type of pattern as every other 4, of course, because they're 4s. And these do have the Nike Air on the back for all you hypebeasts. No Jordan logo like the other ones. And I'm glad and these were an easy pickup. Like you didn't even really need to try. Like I picked them. I was like first in line, and I was first one out in line. It was super easy. And then moving on the midsoles, you know, it's gray. You got the white, and then you got the little Nike Air right there. And then we do have the Nike Air tag. They did switch it up this year. I'll go show you all the old tags that they always give you. Alright, so usually they give you this type of tag, but even if this is just the Pure Money 4 tag, but even if it would have like Nike Air right here, but it obviously doesn't. I don't know if it's like backwards for y'all, but there it is. And then yeah, so I don't like how the new tag is, because it's like too big, and it's like plastic kind of. It's like super thin, but I'm not gonna rock it like that anyways, because that's how I am. But if that's how you are, you rock it how you like your shoes. And then moving up to the uppers right here, I don't know what kind of type of material it is, but if it's like super smooth. And you got the black netting right here, black laces, the flight tongue up top, Jordan Flight. Then you get these little shoe inserts, but we obviously don't need that. And then they come with the shoe tree inside of there, like every other Jordan, every other shoe pretty much. And yeah, you got the black midsole here. And the problem with like Bred 4s, most Bred 4s, the black midsole right here will like crack sometimes, and that's like after like old use. But unfortunately, it is what it is, so you just gotta be cautious about your shoes and stuff. And yeah, and obviously, I don't know if y'all can see that, but we do got the Nike Air right there for all you other hypebeasts out there that love the Nike Air. And yeah, so that pretty much just sums up the shoe. I'll do a quick 360 for y'all. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, so hopefully y'all like that review, and I will be getting into the on foot next, but I'm just gonna wrap up the video right here. So make sure y'all go comment down what videos you want to see next, and I will upload whatever requests you guys want. My camera's about to die, so I gotta hurry this up. But make sure you like the video and subscribe if you're new, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe right now. And I'll be seeing y'all in the next video. It's been your boy Saucy, I'm out. Peace.